class, welcome back to our online class today. So it's me again, teacher Kongkea, right? So as you know already, for the first session we are going to study our book is Grammar Planet 2. So before we start our lesson for today, let's repeat the day with teacher first. So today is Thursday, September 10, 2020, right? So teacher want you to have notebook and your pen on your table right now. So now let's move to our next one. Okay, so today we will focus on preposition. As you know already from the previous day that you know how to use the preposition already, that we have under, over, in, on, in front of, behind, and next to, right? So this time teacher want you to practice some exercise that regarding with our preposition, right? So now let's move to the next one with teacher. Okay, so right now we will play game, but teacher will ask you the question and you need to guess. Okay, so my question is, where is the mouse? So you can see in this picture already, right? The mouse is standing on the box, right? So the answer is the mouse is on the box, right? Okay, so this one is related with our grammar that we study already from yesterday. Then we talk about preposition or place, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so this picture is look like half tree and half the boy, right? Okay, so my question is, where is the boy? Everyone, can you guess it? Where is the boy? The boy is standing or the boy is sitting? Great, so the boy is under the tree, right? So you can write like this, the boy is under the tree. So now let's move to the next one. Okay, so now let's move to the next one with teacher. Okay, so this picture is my question, where is the rabbit? As you see already, this one is rabbit and we have the tree, right? So the answer is the rabbit is behind the tree, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so right now teacher want you to practice that you need to make the question and answer that regarding with our preposition or place, right? As you see in this picture also that we have three picture in here, that the first one is talking about the dog. So where is the dog, right? Okay, so this one is the question that you need to ask, and after that you need to answer. So the dog is under the table, right? Okay, how about the second picture that we have two dogs and one cat, and another one is flower in the jar, right? So you need to make the question and answer into your notebook, and after that send it to teacher by personal telegram, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so teacher hope that you can do it as well. So now is our break time right now. So see you again for second session. Hello everyone, welcome back to our second session. So it's me again, teacher Kongkea, right? So right now let's continue our lesson for today. Okay, so today we will focus on our school supplies, right? As you see already from the previous day that we studied already, right? So this time let's do some practice with teacher that regarding with our school supplies. So now let's move to the next one with teacher. Okay, so the first one you need to practice, right? Okay, so you need to choose the answer below, right? The teacher have the picture in here, and teacher have A is pen, B is pencil. Everyone, can you guess it? A or B? Great, so the correct answer is B, right? It's a pencil, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so this picture again, everyone. Okay, so teacher know that you know this picture already, right? And teacher have two words in here also. A is book, B is dictionary, right? Can you guess it? So this one is a book or is a dictionary? A or B? Great. So the correct one is A. So this one is a book, right? That you can read the story in here. So now let's move to the next one. Okay, so as you see in this picture already, so this one you can calculate the number, right? Any number that you want to calculate, right? Example 28 plus 39. So you can use this one to see the equal, right? Okay, so now let's choose the answer. So teacher have A. A is calculator and B is eraser. So the correct one is letter A. So that one is calculator, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so the second one is focus on spelling word, right? That we talk about school supplies. So now let's move to our spelling word. So everyone, do you see this picture? Great. So we always use this one to cut the paper when we have art class, right? Okay, so now let's spell the word of this picture with teacher all together. So the first one is the letter S. Very good. And next is letter C. And the next one is letter I. Very good. And the next one is letter S. Right? Okay. And the next one is S. And after that is letter. Can you guess it? Good. Is letter O. Right? Okay. Next is letter O. And the last one is letter S. So this picture is scissors. Scissors, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one with teacher. Okay, so this picture we always use this one to clip the document that we have a lot of pages, right? Okay, so can you guess this one? Great. So this one is stapler, right? So now let's spell with teacher all together. So stapler is the letter S T A P L E R. Stapler, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so this one you can see it already, right? That this one we always use it to draw the line, right? To make our line is straight, or if you want to draw square or triangle or rectangle, you can use it also, right? So this picture is ruler, right? Okay, so now let's spell with teacher. So ruler is R U L E R. Ruler. Ruler. Very good. Clap your hand for yourself, everyone. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so this one is very important when our art section, that you can use this one to erase the picture that you draw that you think that one is wrong, right? So that one is eraser, right? Okay, so start is letter E O A S E O. Eraser. Eraser, right? Okay, so teacher, know that you can write this one into your notebook also, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so this one is your turn, that you need to look at the pictures and write the word. So teacher have the picture in here, so you can write down this one into your notebook, or you can draw the picture. If you cannot draw the picture, you just put only number 1, number 2, number 3 until finish the picture in here, and after that you need to write the word. Okay, so I hope that you can do it as well, and don't forget to send it to teacher. Okay, so now is our time for our second session. So thank you for watching and see you again tomorrow. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day.